Welcome to the Gold IRA Blueprint, where we help you navigate the sometimes kind of tricky world of gold IRAs.
Yeah.
This is your deep dive into how to really secure your retirement with precious metals.
Exactly.
And we're focusing today on Advantage Gold, a company that really specializes in making this whole process easy and enjoyable.
They really do, yeah.
Yeah, and before we get too far, I want to remind you about a fantastic resource we have.
Oh, yeah.
If you're serious about exploring a gold IRA, head over to goldirablueprint.com/exclusive for a free checklist.
That's right.
Think of it as like your roadmap to choosing the right gold IRA company.
It really is. That checklist is packed with valuable tips, especially for those new to precious metals investing.
Okay, let's dive in. What exactly is Advantage Gold?
So Advantage Gold is a leading provider of gold IRA services,
Right.
helping people like you diversify their retirement savings with physical gold and other precious metals.
Right.
They're not just about transactions.
Yeah.
They're all about education and transparency.
So they're like a guide and a teacher, like
Exactly.
holding your hand through the process, but
Yeah.
also empowering you with the knowledge.
Yeah, they want you to understand why you're investing in gold and how it can actually benefit your portfolio.
I like that. That's a huge difference from just pushing products.
Right.
Okay, so let's say you're interested.
Okay.
How does Advantage Gold actually work? What's that process look like?
Well, it all starts with a personalized consultation.
Okay.
They'll sit down with you, virtually or in person,
Right.
to discuss your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and your overall retirement plan.
Okay.
Based on that conversation, they will help you develop a customized investment strategy.
So it's not one size fits all.
No,
They tailor it to your specific situation.
absolutely. And they offer a range of investment options, including gold coins, bullion bars,
Yeah.
and even those collectible coins like the American Gold Eagle that we've talked about.
Right. I love the idea of holding a piece of history in your retirement portfolio.
Yeah.
It's not just numbers on a screen.
Yeah.
It's something tangible and honestly pretty cool.
Yeah, it's important to note that Advantage Gold doesn't just help you choose your investments.
Right.
They guide you through the entire process.
Oh, wow.
They'll help you roll over existing retirement accounts if needed.
Really?
And they provide really clear information on storage fees and buyback programs
So they're with you every step of the way.
every step of the way.
So it's like having a concierge service for your gold IRA.
That's a great analogy.
You don't have to feel lost or overwhelmed at all.
No, now let's talk about the why.
Okay.
Why would someone choose to invest in gold, especially for retirement?
This is where it gets really interesting.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people are curious about this.
Mm-hmm.
Let's start with the basics. What are the core benefits of investing in gold with Advantage Gold?
One of the biggest advantages is portfolio diversification.
Right.
Gold often moves differently than traditional stocks and bonds. During times of economic uncertainty, gold tends to hold its value or even increase in value,
Yeah.
providing a sort of safety net for your portfolio.
So it's like having a non-correlated asset.
Exactly.
When the rest of your portfolio might be taking a dip, gold can potentially help cushion the blow.
Precisely.
Okay.
It helps to smooth out the bumps in the road and potentially reduce overall volatility in your retirement savings.
I see. That peace of mind is crucial, especially as you're getting close to retirement.
Yeah,
But isn't gold also considered a good hedge against inflation?
absolutely.
Okay.
We all know that the purchasing power of the dollar can erode over time.
Yeah.
Inflation eats away at the value of our savings,
Right.
but gold tends to hold its value even during inflationary periods.
So it's like preserving your wealth even when the cost of goods and services is going up.
Exactly.
Your money retains its buying power, which is essential for maintaining your lifestyle in retirement.
That's right. And let's not forget the potential for growth. Historically, gold prices have spiked during times of crisis,
Right.
whether it's a financial meltdown or geopolitical turmoil.
So while gold can provide stability,
Mm-hmm.
it also has the potential to offer substantial returns, especially in uncertain times.
That is correct. But it's important to remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future results.
Of course, yeah.
But gold's historical track record is certainly something to consider.
Okay, we've covered diversification, inflation protection, and potential growth.
Right.
Now, I know no investment is without risk.
True.
What about the downsides of investing in gold?
Well, the main risk with gold is its price volatility.
Okay.
Gold prices can fluctuate,
Yeah.
sometimes significantly, due to various market factors.
Right.
While gold generally trends upwards over the long term,
Okay.
there can be short-term dips and spikes.
So it's not a set it and forget it investment.
It's not.
You need to be prepared for potential fluctuations and have a long-term perspective.
Exactly. It's important to go in with realistic expectations and understand that gold is part of a balanced portfolio.
Right.
not a get-rich-quick scheme.
And I know some people worry about the logistics of owning physical gold.
Yeah,
Things like storage, insurance costs.
that's a valid concern.
Yeah.
However, Advantage Gold takes care of those details.
Oh, okay.
They work with reputable, secure storage facilities that are IRS approved,
Good.
and they can guide you on insurance options to protect your investment.
So you don't have to have a vault in your basement.
No, you don't.
They handle the secure storage for you.
Exactly. And this is where their expertise really shines.
Okay.
They can answer all your questions about the practicalities of owning physical gold, so you don't have to worry about those details.
That's a huge relief.
Yes,
Knowing that the logistics are taken care of by professionals.
absolutely.
Okay. I think we've laid a good foundation for understanding the basics of gold IRAs
Yes,
and the role Advantage Gold plays in making this process accessible and beneficial.
I agree. We've covered a lot of ground, but we've only just scratched the surface of this fascinating world.
And remember, if you're ready to start exploring the possibilities of a gold IRA, head over to goldirablueprint.com/exclusive and grab that free checklist.
Right.
It's a valuable tool for anyone considering this type of investment.
It is.
Yeah, that checklist is a great first step.
Mm.
It's amazing how much information is packed into one little document.
I know. It really is a comprehensive guide.
Yeah, it can save you a lot of time and headaches down the road.
For sure.
Okay, so we've talked about what Advantage Gold is, how it works, and the benefits of investing in gold for retirement.
Yeah.
But now let's dig a little deeper into the company itself.
Okay.
What makes Advantage Gold stand out from other gold IRA providers?
Well, one thing that really sets them apart is their expertise and experience.
Okay.
The founders, Chris Stewart and Austin Sanchez, have extensive backgrounds in finance and precious metals trading.
Right.
They're not just salespeople.
Yeah.
They're seasoned professionals who really understand this market.
So they're not just riding the gold wave, they're experts who can navigate the currents.
Exactly. And that expertise translates into their commitment to customized investment strategies.
Okay.
They recognize that everyone's financial situation and retirement goals are unique.
Yeah, that's so important. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach.
Right. They take the time to understand your specific needs and risk tolerance before recommending any investments.
So it's like having a personal financial advisor who specializes in gold IRAs.
Yes, very much so.
Speaking of IRAs, I know there are specific rules and regulations surrounding retirement accounts.
Mm-hmm.
Does Advantage Gold handle all of that?
Absolutely. They specialize in gold IRAs, and they work closely with custodians to ensure that all transactions and account management comply with IRS regulations.
So you can rest assured knowing that your investment is in good hands both legally and financially.
Exactly. They handle all the complexities and paperwork, allowing you to really focus on your long-term retirement goals.
Okay, so let's say someone listening is ready to explore a gold IRA with Advantage Gold.
Okay.
What's the first step they should take?
The easiest way to get started is to simply reach out to Advantage Gold.
Okay,
They have a very approachable team,
good.
and you can contact them by phone or through their website.
Okay.
They'll be happy to answer any questions and schedule a free consultation.
No pressure? Just a friendly conversation to see if it's a good fit?
That's right. During the consultation, they'll discuss your individual circumstances,
Right.
answer your questions about gold IRAs, and explain how they can help you achieve your retirement goals.
And if you decide to move forward, what's that process like?
Well, if you decide to open an account, they'll guide you through the paperwork, which is surprisingly straightforward.
Okay.
Then you'll need to fund your account.
Okay.
You can do this through a rollover from an existing retirement account
Mm-hmm.
or with a direct contribution.
So there are flexible options for getting started.
There are, and once your account is funded, the exciting part begins.
For choosing your gold investments.
Okay, yeah.
Advantage Gold will work with you to select the right mix of gold coins, bullion bars,
Right.
or other precious metals based on your customized strategy.
And then they handle the secure storage of your gold.
Exactly. They partner with reputable depositories that are IRS approved and insured,
Okay.
ensuring that your investment is safe and sound.
That's such a crucial aspect. Knowing that your gold is securely stored takes a lot of the worry out of the equation.
It does. It's all part of their comprehensive approach to gold IRA services.
Okay, so we've covered what Advantage Gold is, how it works, the benefits of investing in gold, what sets Advantage Gold apart,
Mm-hmm.
and how to get started.
Right.
But I want to circle back to something you mentioned earlier, education.
Oh.
Why is Advantage Gold so focused on educating its clients?
That's a great question. I think their commitment to education stems from a genuine desire to empower their clients.
Okay.
They believe that informed investors make better decisions. That makes sense. The more you understand about gold and gold IRAs, the more confident you'll feel about your investment.
Exactly. They want their clients to understand the ins and outs of gold IRAs,
Yeah.
the potential benefits and risks,
Right.
and how gold can fit into their overall retirement plan.
So it's not just about selling gold, it's about building a relationship of trust and knowledge with their clients.
It is. They want their clients to be partners in the process,
Right.
not just passive participants.
I like that approach. It's refreshing to see a company that's genuinely invested in the financial well-being of its clients.
I agree. It's a testament to their integrity and their long-term vision.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about the technical aspects of gold IRAs
Yeah.
and the role Advantage Gold plays in making this process smooth and understandable.
Right.
But let's shift gears a bit and talk about the emotional side of investing.
Okay.
Because let's face it, finances, especially retirement planning, can be an emotional topic.
Absolutely. Finances are deeply personal.
Yeah.
And retirement is often seen as the culmination of a lifetime of work and saving.
Exactly. It's about security, freedom,
Right.
and enjoying the fruits of your labor.
Mm-hmm.
So how does gold fit into that emotional landscape?
Yeah.
Why are people drawn to gold, especially for retirement?
Well, I think one of the biggest draws is the sense of security that gold provides.
Mm-hmm.
Gold has been a store of value for centuries.
Yeah.
It's something tangible,
Yeah.
something you can hold in your hand.
Yeah.
It's not subject to the whims of politicians
Right.
or the fluctuations of the stock market.
So it's like a source of comfort,
It is.
a tangible representation of your savings and your hard work.
Mm-hmm.
It's something that can potentially provide stability and peace of mind in uncertain times.
Exactly. It's a hedge against the unknown.
Yeah.
A way to protect yourself and your loved ones from financial turmoil.
And I imagine that sense of security becomes even more important as you approach retirement.
Absolutely. When you're planning for retirement, you're essentially planning for the unknown. You don't know what the future holds, what the economy will be like,
Yeah.
what healthcare costs will be,
Mm-hmm.
what unexpected expenses might arise.
Right.
Gold can provide a sense of reassurance, like a safety net,
Okay.
that can help you weather any storm.
That peace of mind is invaluable, especially during a time of life when you just want to enjoy your hard-earned freedom and not be constantly worrying about finances.
Exactly. It's about creating a sense of financial stability and freedom
Yeah.
so you can focus on the things that truly matter,
Yeah.
spending time with loved ones, pursuing your passions,
Hmm.
and just enjoying your golden years.
Okay, so we've talked about the emotional appeal of gold,
Right.
the sense of security, stability, and peace of mind that it can provide.
Mm.
But let's be realistic.
Okay.
Gold is not a magic bullet.
It's not.
It's not going to solve all your financial problems
No.
or guarantee a worry-free retirement.
Of course not. Gold is just one piece of the puzzle.
Okay.
It's important to have a well-diversified portfolio that includes a mix of assets, including stocks, bonds, and real estate.
Right. It's about finding the right balance, the right mix of assets that aligns with your individual circumstances, your risk tolerance,
Yeah.
and your retirement goals.
Exactly. And that's where Advantage Gold can really shine.
Okay.
They can help you create a customized gold IRA strategy that complements your overall retirement plan.
So they're not just selling gold, they're providing financial guidance
Right.
and helping you create a holistic retirement plan that includes gold as a strategic component.
Precisely. They take a big picture approach, recognizing that gold is not a standalone solution,
Mm-hmm.
but rather a valuable tool that can enhance your overall financial well-being.
That makes a lot of sense. It's about working with a trusted partner
Yeah.
who can help you navigate the complexities of retirement planning
Right.
and create a strategy that's tailored to your individual needs and goals.
Right. It's about peace of mind,
Yeah.
knowing that you have a solid plan in place and that you're working with professionals who have your best interests at heart.
Well said. And speaking of peace of mind,
Mm-hmm.
remember that free checklist we mentioned earlier?
Oh, yeah.
It's a valuable resource for anyone considering a gold IRA.
Yes.
And it can help you choose the right gold IRA company for your needs.
Absolutely. That checklist is packed with helpful tips and insights.
Yeah.
That can save you a lot of time and potential headaches down the road.
You can find that checklist at goldirablueprint.com/exclusive.
That's right.
It's a great starting point for anyone who wants to learn more about gold IRAs and explore the possibilities for their retirement. That checklist really is a game changer, especially for those who are new to gold IRAs.
Yeah, it really breaks down the process in a clear, easy to understand way.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground today,
Yeah.
but I want to circle back to something we touched on earlier. That sense of security and peace of mind that gold can provide.
Okay.
It's not just a financial asset. It's something deeper, something almost primal.
I would agree with it, absolutely. Gold has been a symbol of wealth, power, and stability for millennia.
Right? It's ingrained in our collective consciousness.
Yeah.
I mean, think about it. Gold has been valued across cultures and civilizations for centuries.
Right.
It's something that transcends language, borders, even time itself.
It really is, yeah. It's a tangible representation of value that has endured for millennia, while currencies have come and gone, empires have risen and fallen.
It's fascinating, isn't it?
Yeah.
That something from the earth,
Yeah.
something that's been around for billions of years,
Yeah.
still holds such significance for us today.
Yeah, I think that's part of what makes it so attractive as an investment.
Right.
It's not just numbers on a screen.
Yeah.
It's something real, something with a history, something that has stood the test of time.
Yeah, it's like holding a piece of history in your hand, a connection to something larger than yourself, something that has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations.
Exactly. And I think that connection, that sense of continuity and permanence is especially appealing in today's world, which often feels so uncertain and unpredictable.
Right? When the world around us feels shaky, it's natural to seek out something solid, something that represents stability and endurance. And gold certainly fits that description.
It does. It's a reminder that some things are timeless,
Right.
that some values endure regardless of what's happening in the news or the financial markets.
And that sense of permanence can be incredibly comforting,
Yeah.
especially when you're thinking about your long-term financial security and the well-being of your family.
Absolutely. It's about creating a legacy,
Yeah.
building something that can withstand the storms of life and provide a sense of security for generations to come.
So it's not just about financial gain, it's about something deeper,
Right.
something more meaningful.
Yeah.
It's about creating a sense of stability and continuity in a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable.
Exactly. Connecting with something that has stood the test of time, something that represents enduring value and security. And that's a powerful concept, especially when you're planning for your retirement,
Yeah.
thinking about the legacy you want to leave behind.
Well said. And for those who are ready to explore the world of gold IRAs and tap into that enduring value, remember to visit goldirablueprint.com/exclusive for that free checklist.
Right.
It's a fantastic resource that can help you take the first step towards securing your financial future with precious metals.
A great starting point. It can provide valuable insights and guidance as you embark on this exciting journey.
Well, I think we've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive.
We have.
We've explored the practical aspects of gold IRAs, the benefits of investing in gold, the unique role Advantage Gold plays in making this process accessible and beneficial, and we've even delved into the deeper emotional and historical significance of gold.
Yeah.
It's been a fascinating conversation.
It certainly has, and I hope our listeners have come away with a deeper understanding of this complex and captivating asset.
I'm sure they have. And remember, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, knowledge is power.
It is.
The more you understand about the world of finance and investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals.
Absolutely. Education is key.
Yeah.
And it's an ongoing process. There's always something new to learn.
Right.
And the more we learn, the more empowered we become as investors and as individuals.
Well said. And on that note, we'd like to thank our listeners for joining us on this deep dive into the world of gold IRAs.
Yes, thank you.
We hope you enjoyed the conversation and that you gained some valuable insights along the way.
Until next time, happy investing.
And remember, stay curious, stay informed, and always keep exploring the possibilities for securing your financial